Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel that is Learning Never Ends. Hope you all are well in this corona and have vaccinated. Today we are discuss about a topic that is elements, their atomic number, their symbols, their electronic configuration and their valencies. How we can find their valencies. So these elements are characterized on the basis of their atomic number. So the first element is hydrogen, who has symbol H. The second one is helium, whose atomic number is 2 and symbol is He. Similarly, calcium is characterized on the 20th number, whose atomic number is 20 and the symbol is Ca. Now this is the electronic configuration, that is 28816. And the third thing is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration means the electrons arrangements. The first shell has 2 capacity, maximum of 2 electrons. The second shell can have only 8 electrons, maximum of 8 electrons. The third shell is capacity is of 8 electrons and the fourth is 16 and so on. So the first element is hydrogen, whose symbol is H and atomic number is 1. Their electronic configuration is also 1, because 1 electron in the first shell, like this, it is a nucleus and this is the first orbit. It has 2 electrons capacity, but we have only 1 electron. Okay, so their electronic configuration is 1 and the valencies is 1. Now the second one is helium, whose atomic number is 2 and the symbol is He and electronic configuration is 2. How? Because it is nucleus and it has 2 electrons in the first orbit, or you can say outermost shell. So it has 2 electrons in the outermost shell and the capacity of this orbit is also 2. So 2 minus 2, that is 0. It means its valency is 0. The next one is lithium, whose atomic number is 3 and the symbol is Li. Their electronic configuration is 2 1. That means 2 electrons in the first shell and the 1 electron is the second shell. So its valency is 1. Similarly with the beryllium, atomic number 4, so 2 and 2, like this, nucleus, then 2 electrons in the first shell and 2 in the second shell, and the capacity of electrons in the second shell is 8. So the valency is 2 3 4. Now nitrogen, the atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Its electronic configuration is 2 and 5, means in first orbit it is 2 electrons in the first orbit and 5 electrons in the second orbit, but their tendency have 8 electrons in the second orbit. So 8 minus 5, that is 3. So their valency is 3. Now similarly with the oxygen, 8 minus 6, that is 2, 7, 8 minus 7, that is 1, 8 minus 8, that is 0. These 0 means who have 0 valencies are the noble gases. Both are the noble gases. Now the 11th atomic number, sodium has 11 atomic number. Its symbol is Na and its electronic configuration is 2 8 and 1. So the outermost shell, the electrons in outermost shell is 1, that's why its valency is 1. In the case of magnesium, the electrons has 2 in the outermost shell, then valency is 2. Similarly with the aluminium, 3, silicon 4, and with the phosphorus, that is 5. It is also bigger than the 4. So 8 minus 5, that is 3. 8 minus 6, that is 2. 8 minus 7, that is 1. Means more closely to the 8. अगर 8 से ज़्यादा close है तब ये 8 से minus करते हैं. तो 8 minus 8, that is 0. It is also a noble gas. Similarly with the potassium has symbol K and its atomic number is 19. Its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 8 and 1. So it has 1 electron in the outermost shell and its tendency is to 16. So 1. It's 1. Okay. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel for the later videos.